What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and if you don't know me, we go over tools, tips, and tricks to make money online. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. And today we'll be going over Bing ads for affiliate marketing products. So here we are on the homepage of Clickbank. If you're new to Clickbank, all you have to do is click down at the bottom where it says create an account here. Your banking account details, as well as your personal details of like your address, your name, and all that good stuff. And once you get your account nickname and your password, you're just gonna click sign in here. And if you're a complete newbie, what I'll do is just go to marketplace up top and then just click this search icon with the completely blank. And then you're just gonna scroll down and pick out which one that you wanna promote. Like most of these are like weight loss offers, as you can see, Leptox, Lepto Connect, Resurge. But today, let's pick out, of course, there's TED Woodworking, Diabetes Freedom. So I went ahead and clicked promote earlier, but I'll go ahead and redo it. So I always put whatever ads platform that I'm promoting on the tracking ID. So Bing ads, you can put like, if you're gonna promote more than one, then you can just go ahead and put the name in front of it like that, and then hit generate hop links. And then what I do is, like, I typically have like a Google Doc, and I just basically copy and paste in there. So I would just paste it right there. And I've already gone through these keywords and stuff for this offer, but I'm gonna walk through it step by step so you guys can know what to do. But yeah, once you click promote and get your link, go ahead and paste it in your Google Doc. And then once you do that, you're gonna open this up, the affiliate page, and then that'll take you here. And then give you affiliate links, email swipes, keywords, ad headlines. And on the keywords, I already clicked on that and downloaded it, and that is going to be right here. And so I went through these already. So what you wanna do is do 15 to 20 different keywords. You don't wanna do like thousands, because if your budget's like, let's say for example, $15 a day, what will happen is Bing is gonna basically take that $15 and just spread it out as far as it possibly can. But that $15 is not gonna be high enough because of your bids that you're requesting for each keyword. It won't be enough for it to go through all 1,000 keywords. So it'll be enough for like 15 to 20, you'll be good. But anything like more than 100 or so, like I would advise against it. I'll just test 15 to 20, maybe even 30, and see where you get, or see how well it converts, and then go from there. But because what will happen too is, like, you need to do broad match, exact match keywords. Any keywords, and that will basically double and triple your amount of keywords. So that's another example too, but I'll show you here in a second what I mean. But these are the keywords that I downloaded from the affiliate page, and I went through these, and then they give you a max search volume and the competition score. And what I did was I went through all these and I found the ones that had a minimum search volume of 1,000 and a max of 10,000 with a low competition. I think I found about 19 of them that were like that. There was one that was medium competition that had 1,000 and 10,000, so I went ahead and took that one too. So once I did that, I went ahead and pasted those keywords right here, and I'll explain why here in a second. So if you go back to, well, let's go into Bing now, and then once you create your account with Bing, or sorry, Microsoft Advertising, they changed the name. You hit create campaign, visits to my website, enter your campaign name, Diabetes Freedom, what's the name of the offer, $25 a day or $15 a day, whatever you see fit. Let me choose specific locations. Always start out with USA, and then I scale from that. Target that, and only choose this one, people in your target locations. Then English, and then save and go. You don't have to put your website URL here. Ad group, you just want to name it whatever you want. So we'll just name it Diabetes 1. And then this is where we're gonna add our phrase match keywords, exact match, and broad match keywords. But as I told you before, I already went through this list and picked them out, like these ones right here, like this one and this one and this one, and I put them on the Google Doc. And what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna grab these, copy, and then go to a site called Keyword Wrap, paste, wrap keywords, and now it does it automatically for us, so we don't have to worry about it. There we go. Or you just do that. That was phrase and exact match. So then after that, save and go. Create ad. You're gonna put your final URL here. And if you're just starting out, this method I'm about to show you is fine, but for the people that are more advanced, you always want to use Clickbank in order to track your links. That way you can tell which keywords actually cashing in money for your campaign. Otherwise, you're kind of like spending money blindly because you don't know what keywords actually converting for you, because it doesn't signify which one is actually purchasing the product through your link. So Clickbank, there's a link down below in the description, but Clickbank is right here. You have to set up, it's called Bing tokens. So Bing tokens basically talks to Clickbank. That way they can say, Bing's telling Clickbank like, hey, this keyword is the one that's actually buying the product. But that's another lesson, another video. But just for the basics, just to get you guys up and running. Again, what we'll do is, let's see, take this link, this hop link that we created, and then we'll go into Clickbank, create link, call this Diabetes Freedom 1, D Freedom, hit create link. Where we at? Right here. Copy. Go back to this. Final URL, paste that here. And then we'll say mobile URL, paste that there. Here, so we'll just say Diabetes Freedom. Then we'll say, you also want to use like numbers, because humans are naturally attracted to numbers in ads. So 60-day guarantee. %50 off today only. Get rid of that 6. So if you wonder where I got that from, so I'm just looking at the price, $77 scratched out to 37. That way you're not lying. And then if you scroll down, it should be, yeah, right here. There's a 60-day guarantee. Right here. You have 60 days to request a refund at 100%. So now we just want to have little snippets within the section right here. Call this Diabetes Freedom. Like that. Add text. What we want to put is, let's go back to this. Let's see, go back, help reverse, type to diabetes. This looks better. Go back. Yeah, not rocket science. It's not rocket science, guys. Just want to take little snippets from the actual page. So you can just really do this, snag this. Contains a pancreas restart nutrition plan. Go back. Put this right here. Back. Copy. Paste. Six characters away. Alright, after that, save and create another, or just hit save. Okay, cool. So now we have our ad, Sitelink Extensions. So people always skip this step. Don't skip this step. If you have enough information to actually create one, please do so. But a Sitelink extension is just basically adding on more content to your ad. So let's go ahead and click that. Save or buy today for $37. Don't have to put anything there really. Put your link, copy, paste, paste, put limited time, only. You can go back. Let's see, go back. Fat burning bonus included. Save. Because the reason why you're putting that price tag in there, that way people know right off the bat how much it's going to cost them. That way you're getting high quality links and your ad quality goes up too. So you get bumped up in the average position, meaning that it gets bumped up on the page. But I'll just have like at least two so it's balanced out. So you can add one more if you want. And you can put like 60. Money back, guarantee. Nice ball guarantee. There you go. All right, 60-day money back guarantee. Description. Well, first put our link in here. Paste, paste. Then let's just put, go back. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Copy that, paste it. Put friendly customer service team. Capitalize that. Hit save. Ah, 2 characters. Save. Boom. All right, cool. Once you do that, click save. Got our Sitelink Extensions. Save and go next. Then I've been told to start at 10 cents and go from there. Even though that has a little exclamation point. Or you just start at $1. I think because, well, hold on a second. Manual bid. You can do manual bid or you can do enhanced. Because even if you do $5, yeah, it doesn't even matter. So normally I'll start at $1, but just depending on what niche that you're in. Again, I've never done diabetes before, so I'll start at $1, see where it gets me. It says estimated, but this is never right because it never knows. So you do manual bid, do it at $1. You start at 15 if you want, or 25, whatever your budget allows. And then once you do that, you're gonna hit save, and then you're good. So it'll probably take 24 to 48 hours for them to review it, and then you're off to the races. But yeah, guys, I hope you liked the tutorial. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, what are you doing? Hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.